All right guys, this is Ali and today we're going to be talking about how to start your YouTube channel. This is my second video on this YouTube channel and I'm going to be uploading it without editing just to show you guys that you can do this too. So this is advice that I've learned from many other YouTubers that are influencers and spent several hours researching on the top advice for you guys when you are looking to start a new YouTube channel. So number one from Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast says make 100 videos and improve each one. So go for the quantity, just don't worry about quality in the beginning. Your first few videos are gonna suck and that's okay, but the key is to improve on every video and get started today. Number two from Ali Abdul, he says nobody cares about your video. You know, people are usually overthinking, that's why they don't start their YouTube video. He says your friends and family and the audience really don't care, and that should be a relief to you because most likely people are not going to watch your video in the beginning, and that's okay because you're practicing. So go ahead and don't overthink it and just start. The other thing Ali Abdul says is that people are paying with their time and attention. So they may not be paying you with money, but they're paying you with time and attention, which is more valuable than money. So try to give something of value. Just like in this video, I did some research, I prepared certain key points on how to start a YouTube video. You can do the same. If you like what you're hearing so far, please like and comment. It will help me a lot as I start on my journey to build this YouTube channel. Next influencer, Casey Neistat, he says, know your why for doing it and have patience. Give yourself 10 years. So those of you who know, Casey has, and if you don't know, Casey Neistat has been a vlogger for a long time. He's very successful and he's the one with the shades and the cool videos from New York, and he's been vlogging on a daily basis when he first started, and now he's blown up and he's one of the OGs of vlogging on YouTube. And he's saying that you should know your why. Why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Are you doing it for your family? Are you doing it for the money? Are you doing it to get a new car? Are you doing it because you want to make an impact? Are you doing it because you want to leave a legacy? What is your why? Give that some thought and write it down, because there'll be days where you don't feel like doing your YouTube videos, and the why will get you through those. And that's why he says be patient, because it takes time and it takes consistency. So be patient and commit for the long term, because this is likely it's not going to blow up right away. Yes, there are success stories, but the truth is that sometimes it takes time, and it's okay because during that time you're going to be improving, even though that may be an incremental improvement. Next influencer, Jenny Hoyos, who usually gets over like 1 million views on her shorts and her YouTube long videos. She's young, she's amazing, she's an incredible inspiration for myself and for many other YouTubers. She says that quantity will lead to quality. And on a short video, every second counts. So quantity will lead to quality. What does she mean by that? That put out, just like Mr. Beast said, put out 100 videos, put out as many as you can, and over time you're going to get better. Over time your experience will build. You'll be getting better at titles, at thumbnails, at speaking, at presenting, at researching, all the different aspects that are involved in making a YouTube video successful. You'll get better at it over time, but just start. Next person or next company that gave great advice, Think Media, who, you know, if you guys aren't following them, they're amazing. They talk about packaging, and by packaging they mean idea, topic, title, and thumbnail. What is your idea for the video? Know this ahead of time before hitting the record button. What will be your topic? Okay? Research that. Research what are people searching. You can type into the YouTube search bar. For example, I researched how to, and it showed start a YouTube video. So I'm like, oh, that's great. I'm learning that. I can teach that to others. So put it in there and see if people are actually searching, and then click on like the top 2-3 videos that come up and see what their view count is and what their subscriber count is. This will give you a real live idea of how the audience is, how large the audience is for the topic you're choosing. So where were we? Okay, so Think Media, then they said come up with 50 ideas, 50 topic ideas. Okay, brainstorm 50 topic ideas, don't judge them, and then take the 10 best ones and validate them just as I shared with you by searching in the search bar of YouTube and seeing if there are more views than the subscriber count. This will mean that this is a quality video. Next, from Creator Insider, they said don't think algorithm, think audience. Okay, don't think algorithm, think audience, because the algorithm follows the audience. Okay, so your audience matters because the algorithm will be changing over time, and you don't want to drive yourself crazy with that. Focus on your audience. What is your audience looking to learn? How do they learn? When do they learn? What do they want to learn? And serve that to them. So then they go on to say try different titles, try different topics and descriptions. This will come after 5-10 videos. You'll start to see through the analytics which videos are performing better, which ones you can do better on, and just improve on different things incrementally. And now is a great time for new creators. Why? Because the algorithm is now favoring new creators like you and I, because in the past it was about quantity and it was about who has the most views and subscribers already. But now with the algorithm, YouTube is supporting new YouTubers, new creators such as us to put out content and get that in front of audiences. So it's a great time to start. Next advice, be courageous. You're going to start messy, but we learn by doing. So just start as soon as possible. And everything that you want in life is just outside of your comfort zone. So just do it. Clarity is the next advice. Be clear about what you're sharing. Usually when I was doing giving public speaking, we were told to have a beginning, middle, and end. And in some sense, you should have that in your video. In the beginning, they say in the first 30 seconds, you should have a hook, why people should watch, and why they should stay till the end of the video, because watch time today matters. Now, some videos take time to take off, so leave them up. So if you're recording a YouTube video and a week has gone by, a month has gone by, several months have gone by, but you still haven't gotten the views you want, it's okay. This is normal. Over time, let's say you publish a video that really takes off, people will start watching your other videos, and that can really change the view counts for your older videos. So don't discount those older videos. Keep them up, because as long as they're providing value, you don't know who's going to pick them up and when they're going to actually take off. So think of it as a piece of real estate on the internet. Keep it up there. And as I mentioned in my last video, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. So people are searching every day, and more so, billions of people are on YouTube looking for answers for different things. So leave your videos up. Do not quit is the next advice. Always test formats and new things. Post consistently. People will start binging the channel. They'll make, so you want to make the content binge-worthy, right? Something that people will want to watch over other people's content. Be consistent, I already stated that, even when it's hard. So this is the key, right? You don't want to quit when it's hard. You want to set up accountability such as I did. I set accountability with my partner Nish, and I'm doing this 111-day challenge where I've committed to making 111 videos for 111 days consecutively, and this is day 2. So you can do the same. Set up an accountability partner. If you don't have one, you can comment or message me, and I'm happy to guide you there. But start and set up accountability. And with YouTube, It's if you've heard of the term compound interest, it's like compound interest, but in a sense larger than that, because you're grabbing the attention of the viewers, and once you make the videos, you're building, each video is building on itself, so you never know when your channel is going to take off, and one video can get you thousands of subscribers. So keep at it. And another advice from Mr. Beast: make the videos you upload as good as possible. Quality today matters more than ever before, but don't let that stop you from posting consistently. And some final thoughts: don't chase the money. This is something I learned from my mentors. They said, chase value and chase getting better, even if it's just 1% better each day. Chase that, because the money will follow. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching. If you like this, if you found this valuable, please hit the like and the subscribe button. Comment below. Let me know what else you want to learn about, what else you want to hear about. If you are starting your YouTube channel, let me know what challenges you might be having, and I'd love to see you on future videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.